And we know the impact COVID has had on the health and safety of our communities. Hospitals are full and the death toll is rising. But what about the indirect impacts of the virus? We have team coverage tonight, and we begin with News 8's Jacqueline Francis looking at some newly released crime data in our state. Jacqueline.
The numbers show that overall crime has decreased this year, possibly a result of the pandemic changing our daily lives and behaviors. But at the same time, violent crime has increased, an alarming trend seen across the state, including right here in the city of Grand Rapids. In a year unlike any other, the state is tracking everything from COVID cases to crime rate. According to a report released by the state health department, crime overall, as in the total number of offenses, is down 16% this year. But the homicide rate is up by 20%, a spike especially seen during the summer months. The state health department categorizing this trend as a, quote, indirect impact of COVID-19. A criminal justice professor at Michigan State University saying the pandemic may be just one factor at play here.
Couple the pandemic with the social unrest that has taken place on top of a hotly debated presidential election year and everything, there's just a lot of stress within communities. So I think that's a natural place to think that may have something to do with the rise in violence.
He says across the country, it's a similar story. Some cities, including Grand Rapids, have reported a record number of homicides this year. 2020 becoming the deadliest year in Grand Rapids history after the city recorded its 35th homicide this past week. Statewide, other violent crimes are also on the rise. The health department's data showing that both the number of aggravated assaults and domestic violence incidents are up 9% this year compared to last.
One of the things I want people to be mindful of is that the fact that that's an underreported number. Domestic violence has always been an underreported crime. So what we are seeing now, even with an increase, still represents just a tip of the iceberg of the number of people who need support.
The CEO of YWCA West Central Michigan saying COVID doesn't cause domestic violence. A silence do.
The risk factors may be exacerbated. So if you've got intense family stressors, loss of income, loss of job, close proximity in spaces when you normally aren't so closely connected and together, may exacerbate risk factors that cause behaviors that were already there.
All of this crime data comes from Michigan State Police. We reached out to them for comment about this year's numbers, but we were referred back to the state health department. If you or someone you know is a victim of domestic abuse, we have resources for you right now on our website, woodtv.com. Reporting live in Grand Rapids, Jacqueline Francis, News 8.